Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have for you a very simple makeup look which you can do so easily. This is totally for beginners, those who have never tried makeup before. I show you which brushes to use. Basically you need only 3 brushes to come up with this makeup look. This is a very sophisticated kind of look, all matte look, which is meant for the daytime for office wear. And I use the Mocha mix palette, which I love using. I totally enjoyed using this, and if you're interested, this is definitely my favorite makeup look, and I totally enjoyed using this palette. And a few of my subscribers requested that I do a look which is simple for beginners, to help them out with especially using this palette, and show them which brushes to use where. And that's why I did this video. Keep on watching. This is going to be the subtle office look. I've done my face. Before you do your makeup, you always need to start off with an eye cream as your base, followed by a good concealer to conceal any veins on your eyelid. So your eyelid should be ready for makeup. If you do not use a concealer as your base, if you have a foundation, a good high coverage kind of foundation, you can use that too, but make sure you wait for it to dry completely and set it, and you get a good base. That's a very important step in applying your makeup. Even if you do it every day, it will hardly take a few minutes to apply a thin layer of concealer, and it'll take your look a long way. It'll look very neat, and coming up with a makeup look is very easy. So taking Mocha mix, this is going to be for the office, a very simple daytime office look. Okay, let's start off. Take a brush, a fluffy brush which looks like this, blending brush. Okay, make sure it's clean, there are no colors on it remaining from any other time you have used it. The brush has to be clean. Okay, and let's take this color right here, closest to my skin color, and start. Here goes. Make sure you're getting enough on your brush. Okay, this is for total beginners. Okay, and look at this portion of your eye just above where your lid folds, that portion from there to there, that's where you apply the transition shade. Here goes. Now look at that. Back and forth, slowly back and forth, back and forth. You can see the color building up. You're creating a natural contour. And if your eyes are smaller like mine, you would have to go slightly on this end, back and forth. Basically the top part of your lid, you're trying to put this transition shade. Okay, keep building up slowly. Okay, and work, and when you come to this end, work upwards. You're basically trying to lift your eye. Okay, work upwards. Until the color is even from this end to this end, it's an even shade. Okay, that's your transition. Beautiful for daily wear. Look at that. A very simple, subtle transition. That's done. Next, make sure again you take a clean brush, a pointed brush like this. Take a pointed brush, eyeshadow brush, I hope that's clear. Okay, pointed eyeshadow, make sure it's clean again, and go in with this darker shade right here. We're going to create a contour in your eyelid. Okay, you can use this even to smooth out your look. Okay, take sufficient. If there's too much coming onto your brush, tap any excess off. Okay, and let's Now you have to apply this. Only you can see where your natural creases of your eye right there, where the natural creases, that's where you're going to apply it. Okay, watch this. First try to apply the color. Try to apply the color. Take some more and slowly build up a little bit of color, following your natural crease. Okay, take some more color. Okay, just apply the color till you're satisfied you're getting a good transition from dark to light, dark to light. Okay, and on this end you work upwards. Basically you're trying to lift the eyes. Okay, work upwards. On this end work upwards. Okay, and then now you can go blend. First you pat and apply the color, then go blend so that this dark shade meets the light shade. And there should be no harsh lines between the dark and the light. And when you come to the bottom part of your lid, blend, 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 blend. There should be no harsh lines. If you feel it's too harsh, you put too much color, pat the excess with your fingers. Okay, now go in and apply a little more now to your actual lid, on this end of your lid, right there. Okay, and work outwards, blend. Again you work upwards to lift your eye. Okay, that's done. If there's excess on this end, wipe it off. It should be seamless here too. Wipe any excess off. Next, very easy step, just 3 shades used. Okay, now we go in with the flat eyeshadow brush. It should be flat like this. Okay, make sure it's clean. Mine isn't very clean, but let me just try cleaning it a little bit more. And go in with this beautiful white shade right here. Okay, it's so pigmented. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. Now let's apply this all over the lid from this end to this end, but don't touch the upper portion of your lid. Okay, look at that. You have to pat it in, just pat and apply. Okay, once you're satisfied with how it looks, there. Now blend the edges so there's no harsh line, absolutely no harsh line between this color and that color, no harsh lines. Just slightly blend the edges, blend the edges. Done, right there. Go back to this pointed brush, okay, and blend a little more of the dark shade in. You can see that a light gradient should form there. There should be no harsh line there. Blend it in and blend it up outwards. And there, you're almost done. Don't forget the lower lash line. Take a flat brush like this. It should be flat. Make sure it's clean. Go in with this dark shade. I like one of these dark ones. Not too dark. If you want to go very smoky on the lower lash line, you can take this, or you can just use this. I like using this one because it's a daytime look. Okay, and I go in my lower lash line. Beautiful, sophisticated makeup look for The Office, all matte, very nice. Look at that. Now you go on with your kajal and eyeliner. Do your favorite kind of eyeliner, whatever suits your eye shape, and don't forget mascara. Let's do this. I'm using the purple kajal from Purple. I like this because it's very soft. Then we do the eyeliner. Today I'll be using the Stay Quirky eyeliner, the one which bends. Okay, it's kind of nice. Let's see. And while applying your eyeliner, it's recommended not to pull your eye, otherwise you get a different look, and then when you leave it, it looks different. So let's see how your natural eye looks. If you want a wing, you can start with that. Take your time when you're doing your eyeliner, because that makes or breaks your look. Absolutely makes or breaks your look. Then I go in with the mascara. I usually don't use this every day, but because I'm doing a video, I want to look a little more lashy. I'm using my favorite Super Lash Mascara from L'Oreal. Okay, let's go step 1. This is so easy to do. And again, when you're applying mascara, try to roll and open your eyes. Roll and work upwards. Okay, roll and work upwards. If you have the patience and time to use an eyelash curler, go ahead and use it. I do not have that much time at hand every day, so this is a quick makeup look for the office. Very sophisticated, very easy. Okay, and if you have extra time on your hands, okay, you can see how the eyeliner looks a little imperfect, jagged edges on the eyeliner. There's a trick to it. Take your soft kajal, any soft kajal that you have, and work over it. So let's work over it like this. It gives your liner a beautiful soft matte finish. There, that softens it and makes it so beautiful. And this will last all day long. All day long. Such a beautiful, sophisticated makeup look for the office. I'll do this eye and be right back. I totally love this look, and if you like it too, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you in using this palette, the Mocha mix from Nicka K. Till next time, bye and have a nice day.